Welcome back, everybody. We are out here at Lady Bird again. Of course, my favorite spot to carp fish. But what we're doing differently today, man, is we've come out after it's been drizzling and raining all morning long. So I'm interested to see how the carp are feeding and if the bite is on or off. So we will find out. The barometric pressure is, it's right, it's about 30. So it seems good for fishing. So hopefully all goes well. We'll come out here with some fish. Stay tuned, enjoy, tight lines. Oh, we got one. He is big. He is a fighter. He is a fighter. That's what I'm talking about. Get him in the net. Got him. Yes. Woo. Wow. This is pure insanity, y'all. This is where we set out to fish. It's basically turned into a creek. We got our carp right there in the retainer sling, but I don't know how much longer we're gonna be able to fish. I think we're gonna cool it for a little bit, see if this rain will subside. Maybe release this guy, try to get a good photo with him, but man, it is absolutely insanity out here. It's crazy weather. All right, y'all, we're gonna get a good look at this carp. Big old beast of fish. Look at this thing. Absolutely massive. Look at that belly. That is a beautiful fish. That is a very beautiful fish. Wow. All right, y'all, it's time to let this beautiful common carp go. Ready to get back. Another great session. Well, y'all, that was an absolutely amazing session at Town Lake. It was so crazy. Got out here, the weather got super gnarly. I didn't know it was gonna get that crazy, but damn near washed away. But we got a really nice common. I think she was pregnant because her belly was huge. Must have been full of eggs. Released her. We had a couple more runs, lost those, but man, it was just great getting out here, experiencing the lake like that, with all these runoffs, creeks that feed into it. The carp really loved it though. The carp, it definitely activated them. And as I was leaving, they were still splashing out there. Could still see them doing their thing, eating, going up to top. But yeah, it was a great session. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like and hit that subscribe button if y'all are enjoying the content, and keep fishing. But if y'all ever want a good fight, carp is the way to go. Tight lines, y'all.